Hmm. Hello everyone, my name is Suren Almasi. In this video, I will present a poster entitled Interaction of Sambiloto Andrographis paniculata with Antihypertensive Drugs. This topic is important because Sambiloto is widely used as a traditional herbal medicine, especially for lowering blood pressure. However, is simultaneous use with antihypertensive drugs may lead to clinically significant herbal drugs interaction. Backgrounds Sambiloto scientifically known as Andrographis paniculata is commonly used in traditional medicine to manage various conditions, including hypertension. The main bioactive compound of Sambiloto is andrograpolid, which inhibit antihypertensive effect. However, when Sambiloto is taken together with antihypertensive drugs, it may increase the risk of heart drugs interaction, particularly expensive blood pressure reduction or hypotension. Therefore, understanding this interaction is essential for patient safety. Main bioactive compound. The main bioactive compound is Sambiloto are andrografolid and deoxyandrografolid. These compounds are responsible for the antihypertensive, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant activities of andrografolid paniculata as reported by Gleading and College in next. uh, Antihypertensive mechanism. Sambiloto lower blood pressure through several pharmacological mechanisms. First, vasodilation, which reduction vascular resistance and improve blood flow. Second as inhibition, which decrease the production of angiotensin 2 and or 2 potent vasoconstrictor. Third, Sambiloto has antioxidant activity which improve endothelial function and reduce oxidative stress. Fourth, it exerts anti-inflammatory effect by reducing pro-inflammatory cytokinesis. Finally, Sambiloto may reduce sympathetic nervous system activity, leading to vascular relaxation. Together, this mechanism contribute to its blood pressure lowering effect. Scientific evidence support the antihypertensive effect of Sambiloto. One, if it was study, show that paniculata extract significantly reduce blood pressure in hypertension rat models. Two, in vitro study demonstrate that andrografolid inhibits as in ACE activity and increase nitric oxide production which promotes vasodilation. Three, clinical evidence suggests that Sambiloto may use an adjuvant therapy in hypertension, although clinical data are still limited and further study are needed. There are two main type of interaction to consider. One, pharmacodynamic interaction. Sambiloto may have addictive or synergistic effect when combined with antihypertensive drugs such as as inhibitor and calcium channel blocker. The main clinical risk is excessive blood pressure reduction, which can lead to hypotension. Pharmacokinetic interaction study indicate that Sambiloto does not significantly inhibit major CYP enzyme. However, this may indirectly modulate drug effect through oxidative stress and inflammatory pathway. Clinical impact. The potential clinical impact of this interaction include one, hypotension, two, this dizziness and scan pop, three, increased risks of falls, especially in older adults. For potentially cardiovascular adverse effects, these risks highlight the importance of careful monitoring. High-risk populations, certain populations are at higher risk of adverse effects, including older adults, pasien with polypharmacy, pasien with hepatic impairment, pasien with cardiovascular comorbids. Safety recommendation. To ensure safe use of sambiloto with antihypertension drugs, the following recommendations should be followed. One, always consult healthcare professional before use. Two, perform regular blood pressure monitoring. Three, use standardized and consistent herbal dose. Four, do not discontinue prescribed antihypertension drugs without medical advice. In conclusion, Sambiloto or Anugrapholix paniculata shows significant antihypertension potential. However, is concomitant use with antihypertensive drugs may increase the risk potential. Therefore, evidence-based use and medical supervision are essential to ensure patient safety. So, thank you for your attention.